Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Apple device to iPad Pro 11-inch 4th Gen. You need to begin by accessing App Store on both. Then click on the search bars, type in Send Anywhere, and install this free app from this developer. When it's ready, open it. Now, in order to continue, you need to select Allow access to all photos in this pop-up and select the best option for you in all of the other ones. I will go with Ask App Not to Track, Don't Allow, and over here yes I agree, and close this window. Then OK. Now on iPad do exactly the same. So one of those options, allow access to all photos, don't allow, and then no thanks. Finally, close this window and OK. Now, in order to continue, you can finally select Send at the bottom left corner of your Apple device and receive over here on iPad. Then click on Select over here to pick all of your files that you wish to send and click on Send over here in order to transfer them. It will take a long time, so I will go with only one photo. Click on Send and tap on Got it. Finally, we have the ways to connect. We can scan this QR code using the scanning icon here, then choosing OK in the pop-up and pointing our camera at the code, or we can just input this key over here and tap on Receive. Either way, after a couple of seconds, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!